Hi there, welcome to the Circo app setup walkthrough. We'll be going over how to set up your new digital business card. Our goal at Circo is to help you instantly share information, capture their contacts, and grow your business. Let's dive into it. First thing to set up your digital business card is to add your contacts. Navigate to homepage and click Edit. On this page, you can manage all your link blocks. As you can see, your email is added by default after registering. Now let's add more links by clicking Add Contents. This opens up the link store, and you can choose the link you'd like to add. Here, I will first add title to my profile to keep it organized. I will go ahead and name it My Contacts and set it aligned left. Next, let's add Instagram. Find Instagram and click Add. For each link, display name means the title showed under the app icon. Here I will name it Follow Us. Then I will enter my Instagram handle and click Save. By repeating the steps, now I will add all the links I want others to see to my profile. After adding links, you can press the dots on the side and drag each link to set the order. Here I will drag the title to top, and let's preview the profile to see what it looks like. As you can see, title takes up its own row, and every 3 links will take up a row unless the link is being highlighted or if you add a bar link, which we will dive into later. Now let's also add a web link to the profile. Navigate back to Link Store by clicking Add Content. Then click Add a Web Link button on the very top. Enter or paste in the URL and then enter the display title. Here I will name it our website. Next, choose a display style for your web link. There are 3 options. An icon link behaves like the links you've seen earlier. A bar link displays the link as a bar similar to what you'd see on a link in bio page, and a graphic link shows the link as an image. I will go ahead and set it as bar link for now. And now I will repeat previous steps and add more links until I complete my profile. Remember, all links can be updated or removed at any time. Next, let's highlight some important links. A highlighted link will appear in a highlight box with a description, and it will take up its own row so that it stands out to your profile visitors. Click Edit on the link you want to highlight. Here I will use Calendly as an example. Toggle the highlight button on, and a description field will appear. Enter the description and click Save. Remember that all highlighted links will take up its full row? So I'll go ahead and drag this link to the top of my page so that it's more obvious to visitor. I will also drag the bar link underneath to keep my profile organized. Now let's check out how my profile looks. As you can see, the highlighted link is now placed in a box, with the bar link following. We can customize the design to each element, which we will talk about in the profile design tutorial. The final step to get your digital business card ready to share is picking a design template. Click the Edit button to open the profile settings. If you haven't already done so, update your basic info, cover image, logo, and contact details. Next, click the Design Profile and open the Profile Customization page. We will talk about this part more thoroughly in the profile design tutorial. For now, I'll select a template and click Save. Now our profile will follow the preset design with a fresh new look. Feel free to choose any template you like. At this point, your digital business card is ready for your next networking encounter. Don't forget to also check out the design tutorial and function walkthrough to make the most of the Circo app. I'll see you in the next video.